Hey, good morning. So we're out here today for the first day of public operations at Lego Mythica here at Legoland Windsor Resort. So this is open today, May 29th. There's 3 rides that we can go on here. The main headline attraction being Flight of the Skyline, and that's a motion simulator ride. It takes you up and gives you a show, basically. Hopefully there's going to be a whole bunch of effects in there that'll be really awesome. So if you enjoyed the video throughout, hit the thumbs up, really appreciate it, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. Let's go and step through the portal. So let's step through the portal, Lego Mythica. So this is the Chimera. Got the Hungry Troll. So this is a hand-battered fish and chip shop. We got the troll outside as well. This over here is Lava Dragon Play. Now this is kind of an unsupervised play area. So we've just got this kind of tower here. It's got a slide on it, a couple of climbing areas and whatnot. So this is Hydra's Challenge. Now this was here before, slightly different ride. They've obviously rethemed it. So this spins round, it's obviously a water effects ride. So to give you an overview of what this is like, obviously they've repainted, they've redone all of the ride vehicles themselves. I'm just going through the safety spiel.
Turn the wheel tight.
So you can turn the wheel and that'll move you a bit further out as well. There's little fins on the bottom which splash up the water. And I believe if I press this button here, I just set off a that was me over there setting that off. Pretty cool, and the actual Lego figures here are really awesomely designed as well. Coming back past Hydra's Challenge, we've got the next ride here. This one is a new ride. The previous one, Hydra's Challenge, as I said, was a retheme, but this is Fire Ice Freefall. This is Fire Ice Freefall. You've got kind of the dueling drop towers here. Not too high. This is kids' theme park, kids' play area. Fire Ice Freefall. This is posted at a 20-minute wait. Final headline attraction here at Lego Mythica is Flight of the Skyline. The show building itself looks phenomenal. Now, we had to rush to this morning, so I'm actually recording all of this after we went on the ride. So I'll throw that in now. Alright, we're inside after a little bit of a rundown here. The first ride we're going to go on, Flight of the Skyline. Let's go. Give you an idea of some of the requirements for Flight of the Skyline. We're at 90 minutes at the moment. That was 50 when we first got in the line. So this is a flight simulator kind of ride. So you'll be in front of a big IMAX screen on a couple of benches. 1 meter to ride if you're unaccompanied. 1.2 meters if you're accompanied by somebody over the age of 16. Alright, we found some really awesome Lego figures in the queue for Flight of the Skyline. Look at these. And we got a second cabinet here. Oh, absolutely stunning. And then we got the Skyline himself. So we hit a little bit of a technical glitch. We're 50 minutes into the queue for Flight of the Skyline at the moment, and we just had an announcement to say that the maintenance crew has been called in because the ride's gone down. So we're going to sit on the floor, wait it out, and you know, hopefully it won't be too long. It's the first day of operations for the public, so to be expected. Alright, so they're putting us on markers. We've got to stand on our marker. Okay, so we're going up the stairs. Oh, we've got a pre-show. And we're back on our number again.
On an incredible adventure as you go even deeper into this parallel world where your Lego creations literally come to life. Everyone, meet Bits and Bobs, or Bobs for short. Bobs. We're not doing tricks. You see, someone just like you created Bobs, or rather built him with Lego bricks, and then incredibly, he came to life here in Lego Mythica. You're about to meet Maximus, our special friend on the majestic skyline. Maximus has invited you to travel with him on a journey further into Lego Mythica. Hopefully, you'll be lucky enough to see the mysterious Fire Ice Freefall. But beware the four-headed chimera who lurks across the land. He's known to be a bit snappy.
hopefully you enjoyed that kind of mad rush there. We had to run completely. And also, I hope you enjoyed the ride footage. It really is good. I will have a separate video up, and I'll put a link up in the top corner to that now. That'll be the full ride through video. So go and check that out. They're going to go live at the same time, but you can see the full ride through completely separately. This is an awesome, awesome show building. So, as I said before, this is very much in the same vein as Flight of Passage or Soarin at EPCOT. Flight of Passage is at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'll put a link up in the top corner to Soarin, so you can go and check that out and you'll see exactly what I mean. Throughout various scenes there are smells, effects, things like that. So you have little mists of water coming at you. You have the smell of like burning and fire and things like that. Absolutely awesome ride. Really, really awesome ride. And definitely should check it out. When we came on it this morning, it was posted at like a 120-minute wait. Then it went 90-ish. 60-minute wait today. Day one of operations, not too bad at all. Really good. Definitely come and check this out. We don't have many indoor dark rides like this here in the UK. We've got a couple of really cool features here. The first one over our shoulder is creature creation. You create little Lego figures in the kind of Mythica theme, and then you can actually animate them through AR and things like that as well. Just show you over this shoulder. Fire Ice Freefall is going at the moment. And then this building here is Creature Encounter. So we've got one of the Lego Mythica characters doing a meet and greet. And there are that's pretty cool. Hey, look at this guy. As I said, over here, this is Hydra's challenge. Now you queue down the back. Let's go up to the queue and see. Very well themed area. And we've got Beastly Bites over here. Now this is a quick service restaurant. It's not open at the moment, but I can hear noise inside. It's 20 to 12 now, sorry. It might open at 12. And this is the back entrance to Lego Mythica. And you are over by the Legoland Hotel. So as we come through here again, we got Hydra's challenge entrance here, posted at a 35-minute wait at the moment, again at 20 to 12. This is not bad considering we're on day one of operations. So one of the really cool things here, it's a very modern, forward-thinking feature of Legoland to do is an AR kind of experience. So you get your phone, you download the Legoland Windsor Resort application. Right on the home page is a launch AR experience button. So click that button, and when you see these little creatures all around, you can scan your QR code. So you scan that code, and hopefully, if you collect them all around the park, you'll be able to see all these creatures. So this one here is Chimera. We've got the Maximus, that's the Flight of the Sky lion itself. We've got Duo somewhere over in the area as well. I'm not going to show you them all. because I don't want to spoil that for you. But come, bring your phone, make sure you've got good battery as well, and go and scan all these really cool AR points. It's a really awesome feature. It doesn't record very well, so I can't fit any footage in of it, but it really is awesome, and it's definitely something you should check out. Hopefully you enjoyed our overview here on launch day of LEGO Mythica. We had a really good time. Flight in the Skyline is an awesome ride. I'd seriously recommend coming to check it out. We're currently sold out for annual pass holders for a little while, unfortunately, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to get tickets and things like that, but we'll be back here shortly to give you a better overview of the park as a whole now that all indoor attractions are open, so I can effectively retract what I said before and say that you can come along. But seriously, come out here. I really recommend LEGO Mythica. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.